Hello friends, Namaskar. This is Dr. P.S. Sagar. I am an expert in acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine. So I am practicing from past 18 years in Hyderabad, Second Life Nature Cure Hospital, Banjara Hills. So today my awareness topic is addictions, that too particularly alcohol addiction. So first let me tell you, world's largest killer, the main reason of 30% deaths is addictions. In that it includes smoking, alcohol addiction and drug addiction. So alcohol addiction is way more problematic to the society because it even contributes to health issues and as well as criminal issues or road accidents or even a lot of family disputes. So it is creating a lot of trouble to the society. So let me tell you, and alcohol is more easily available option to get addicted. So there is a lot of behavior problems also. Every family is suffering, and below poverty line it is a big disaster for them because they'll completely lose their livelihood, and above middle class also, below higher class also, it has been a big disturbance in their families. So let me tell you, we have very good solutions in Second Life Nature Cure Hospital. Basically, in addiction treatments which are available, readily available in the market is with the modern medicine and psychiatric medicines. So which are, according to me, it's a big blunder because the success rate is very low, and even 90% patients are left untreated, and the treatment duration is about at least 3 years for a normal patient to get treatment, which many of them cannot afford because it's very expensive. And even some de-addiction centers are charging in lakhs, up to 2 to 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs in a bigger de-addiction center, and a small de-addiction center where there is no proper facilities, they will be charging at least 25 to 50,000. Even though you are getting them admitted in a de-addiction center, at the end, if you check the results, it will be purely dependent on patient's mindset, because doctor will be immediately telling you that if patient's willing to change, then only there will be a change. If there is no willingness, definitely even the de-addiction center cannot do anything. So let me tell you, there is a safe, natural and no side effects treatment readily available in the market, and even WHO has approved this style of treatment. Basically in acupuncture, there is a protocol called NADA protocol, which is developed by Dr. Michael Smith. It's an excellent way of treatment. If patient is self-willing, to leave the addictions, to control his addictions, they can readily visit our center or any other acupuncture center. You can get online consultation also. If you are not available in Hyderabad, or if you are from any other city of India or out of country, we'll suggest your acupuncturist certain protocols through online consultations. So that will definitely help you to control your cravings. I'll tell you an example. One of the patient who has come for neck pain, he has come for cervical spondylitis treatment, but his wife requested me to control his addiction. So without telling the patient, we have adopted few acupuncture points to control his addictions without his notice. So after 10 days, we have taken his interview, and we have asked him how is his neck pain. He has told us that my neck pain is completely relieved. Thank you, doctor. I have very good relief, and my neck congestion has been completely relieved. But sir, I have noticed that I am unable to take my cigarettes. I am unable to take my alcohol. I don't know why. I am unable to understand, but I am feeling better. I don't have any cravings now. So I have reduced my alcohol intake, I have reduced my smoking intake. So that kind of treatment also can be done. So without telling also, we can treat the patient if you have any other health ailment, or if you are directly willing, if you are an addiction patient, you can directly come to any of the acupuncture center available near you. You can have our online consultation. We will share the protocols according to your health issues. Definitely it will help you. You can control and 80% people I mean 80% people, they don't want to get treated. So such people, such stubborn people, I mean, I request their family members to contact us, their family member, without telling them, I mean without consent of the patient, their family members can contact us through online consultation or direct consultation from anywhere of the world. You can contact us. So according to his health problems, according to his psychiatric issues or behavior issues, we will design certain medicines which are of no side effects, which are 100% toxic free. But in Second Life, whatever herbal medicines we give are 100% toxic free. We only give vegetarian source, and that too non-toxic plants only. So we have prepared beautiful medicines. I mean, you can give them without notice. I mean, it can be induced through their food or their water. So patient will never know the smell, taste or color. So within 15 days to 25 days, the results will start. Within a month, at least 50% cravings will be controlled, addictions will be controlled, and even his psychiatric issues like depression or anxiety or stress or behavior issues will even be controlled within a month. In second month, you will see at least 70-80% reduction in their addictions, and behavior changes will be very, very good. Even most of them report that even they are very friendly with the family, kids and all. So you can see a big change, a big transformation in the patient's behavior, as well as they will be completely gradually reducing their alcohol addiction or cravings. And in third month, almost 100% patient will be addiction free. Even though someone is drinking in another room, he won't even tolerate the smell. So in third month, almost 80-90% patients will be relieved of drug addiction or alcohol addiction or smoking. So I mean, according to their body type, according to their psychology, according to their health issues, we will prepare the medicine. So don't think we are trying to sell an addiction killer or addiction free. Lot of advertisements you can see. So this is a complete traditional medicine hospital. So any hospital will not give a ready-made medicine. We'll go according to the patient. Psychology and health conditions only. So have patience, take proper consultation online or offline or directly. After consultation only, even we'll be serving you better, guiding you better. So you can plan. You need not suffer at all because it's no side effects. And we have cured about it in these 18 years, we have cured more than 20,000 patients successfully. And each and every patient I am personally hand-holding. I am taking care of them as my family member. So don't worry, we'll give you excellent service. Even though it is online, we'll be addressing you through voice messages. Whenever you have an inquiry, you can send me a voice message. I'll be addressing your issues who are already undergoing my treatment. So first you have to inquire through our numbers which are available in the down. You have to contact us, or if you are available somewhere near Hyderabad, definitely you have to visit our hospital so that you get a clear picture what you have to do. If you are out of station, definitely if you are unable to visit our center, it's you can opt online consultation. Till now we are having almost 100% results. Every patient is showing very good change, very good transformation. Their entire family and entire everyone are transformed. They are the whole their health standards have been improved, their behavior patterns have been improved, and the whole family is happy. So I hope everyone, this video reaches every nook and corner of India and world, because there is a 100% solution, and people are already losing hope by taking addiction treatments which are available in hospitals, and they are losing hope in their life and family. So please take this option, a serious option. You can definitely give a try, and after this we'll also try to give you testimony so that you can understand how patient feels. So I hope this is a very important message to the society. So everyone, please kindly share this, and whoever is required, definitely they will have a big transformation in their life. Thank you.